Hi guys, so for today's video, magre-rebond tayo and then mag-hair color ng ash blonde color. So please watch you guys until the end. Don't forget to follow, like, and comment. So, ito na nga guys yung before ng hair ng ating client. So, dry and frizzy na ang kanyang hair. And then, may previous hair color siya. So, ito na yung finished product guys. Napaka-shiny and napaka-soft na ng kanyang hair. So, napakaganda din nito ng after wash guys. Dahil nilagyan din natin ng treatment. Kasi hindi naman tayo pwede mag-rebond color ng walang hair treatment. So guys, please follow, like, comment, and also share my videos. Marami pa akong video guys, panoorin nyo yung mga previous video ko. Thank you for watching guys. Salamat. God bless.